Get the job done in half the time with the Capri double flaring tool. Our team has created the perfect, easy-to-use flaring tool for creating 45-degree SAE double flares, as well as DIN bubble flares popular with European vehicles. Easily flare out 3/16-inch steel, copper, or nickel tubing and brake lines. Our all-in-one compact design allows you to easily create the perfect double flare, both on and off the vehicle. Work in tight spaces with no problems, or use the detachable die and take the work to your bench. Our kit is available in two options. The standard kit that includes our 3/16-inch double flaring tool, or the flaring tool kit with everything you need, including our professional 10 and 17mm combination wrenches and convenient mechanics tray, which fits right into your toolbox. Make flaring tubing and brake lines easy with the double flaring tool from Capri Tools.